These are just some nurseries we came across while we were walking to the Vaishali metro station. It took us about 30 minutes
Wow.
to reach the metro station.
God, for here. They're just parked in the middle of the road. Wow. The metro. What? We have to go in through somewhere. I think, yeah, Vishali metro station. Yeah, we're here. We have to buy a ticket there. That's the ticket booth. Look, we're in Vaishali metro station. We're gonna get our ticket from here probably. We're on the second floor. Get a vending machine, bro. So we're here on the second floor to get the card for through the vending machine. I mean the customer care service. So we got a ticket for 150 rupees. So this card is valid for 10 years. We can use this to go to New Delhi and back. It's 40 rupees one way, and 50 out of the 150 rupees, 50 rupees is a security bond, I think. Yeah, it's a security for them. So I don't know how we will get that back, or if we will ever get it back, but it's interesting. You can buy a ticket only for 40 rupees, but you can opt for a card like this for 150 rupees. I think if I show it to you now, it doesn't matter because we might be already in our home country. Water from here, and then we will go up to number 2 towards Dorka sector 21. This is lots of people here. Oh my gosh! So cute. Not too close, not too close.
Look what he did. He was going he became defensive.
Please take a photo. Hey guys, I'm on my first metro train ride here in India from Vaishali metro. So we're moving, we're heading off to New Delhi. It's really good. There's aircon in here, it feels so comfortable, it's clean, and yeah. So we're at Rajiv Chowk, and now we have to go to the yellow line train to catch the yellow train to head to New Delhi. Oh, this place is awesome. Rajiv Chowk from Vaishali metro station.
We ended up deciding not to go to New Delhi. Instead, head to another destination we thought might be more interesting.
We're at Millennium City Center, Gurugram. That's the Huda City Center metro station that we just got off. It's really good. Huge buildings. pizza meal at Domino's here in this building. It's right under the metro station, Huda City, right? Huda City Center. It's really good, 99 rupees, and then you add an extra 20 rupees for the dessert. Really worth it. We got so full. It was very satisfying, delicious, rich, and lovely. So it totaled up to 120 rupees, and there was an extra 5 rupees for something that we didn't know. But it was affordable, so it came to a total of 250 rupees for the both of us, which was really great. So this going back to Vaishali metro station, we have to go through this side up there. Millennium City Center, Gurugram metro station. Up here. Okay, so we're on platform 2. We have to go up to catch the train to where is it? Rajiv Chowk. Say hello. Hello. Going up, going up, going up. Oh, speeding is not allowed anywhere within the metro station. If anyone speeds, they're fined 200 rupees on the spot. So for the yellow train, the men and women have to stand separately. The women stand separate in a separate section than the men. Actually, we noticed that in the middle of the train you can stand together, both genders,